Latch or seatbelt? If one is good, two must be better, right? Actually, no. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a CPST. Let's talk about why you need to pick one method or the other, not both, when installing your child's car seat. Number one is that the car seat's manufacturer that did the design, the engineering, the crash testing, did not certify it safe to use that way. If it were safe to do it that way, they would put that in the manual. But right now, only 3 car seats in the United States allow you to use both at once, and those are all models of the Nuna Pipa, the Clek Foonf when it's forward-facing, and the BabyArk. If it's not one of those 3 seats, you will find the direction in the manual that says do not use latch and the vehicle seatbelt at the same time. Using both when your car seat doesn't allow it can put too much stress on certain parts of the car seat's shell, and that means it may not perform correctly in a crash. It can also disguise a loose install. This seat installed with both appears tight with less than 1 inch of movement, but if I remove one of the methods, take that seatbelt out, now it's all over the place. It only appeared tight because of the friction of the 2 belts rubbing against each other. So read your manual and choose one method or the other. Make sure you're following the lower latch anchor weight limit for your seat, and if it's forward facing, do still use the top tether.